So I have to be careful about this next part. We have terms and definitions, but the definitions I want to make sure that you understand is about the terms. There are some mathematical definitions that we have to worry about later on. I think it's the next page or two, so just heads up. So by the way, I'm probably going to mispronounce one of them. That's what happens when you get older here, but these are from larger order to smaller portions of proof, and that's a theorem, a lemma, a corollary, I keep saying coordinary because you get older, but anyway, and a conjecture. So again, a theorem's what you're going to see somewhat, and that's a bigger problem. You're going to be worried about showing something's true with it using definitions, other theorems, axioms, and rules of inferences. So note, this type of question, it's going to be rather large. You're going to see maybe a couple of those today, but most of them are going to be a little bit smaller than that. I'm still going to say a theorem, but they're going to be a little bit smaller than that. I'm sure you've seen some books where it's massive. We're not doing that. That's the good news. Next is a lemma, and I say lemma once in a while too, but that's a helping theorem or a result which is needed to prove a theorem, so that you actually don't see that at all today. A corollary, I got that right, result directly from a theorem. There should be a point there. Less important theorems are sometimes called a proposition. And then a conjecture, and this is what you are going to see. A conjecture is a statement that's being proposed to be true. You're going to see quite a bit of those. So again, I want you to think of it as a funnel here. This is really large, and then this question types get smaller. You'll see a couple of the theorems today, not really crazy big, but you're going to see a lot of conjectures and seeing if something is true. So just a heads up on the type of questions that you're going to see and the definitions.